Kynhun Myntri ke Sorka Jylla hakis ngibaar kalaya kren bon Tylli kimat kibakan thup ya ke Meghalaya Industrial Investment Policy, Meghalaya ITES Promotion Policy arajar posau, par kajingshna ya ki Meghalaya Technology Park. Hala ke Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy kane kan kentiu bat penkup bor ya ke yok ke kot ke Jylla. Ula ba ke Meghalaya IT Enable Services Promotion Policy arajar posau kan pelak ban penmi kam ha ke Jylla. Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur ban thiet jaka harong kangkre na ke Bynta ka jaka Brentwood ha East Karo Hills. Ke sarkar ke Mynjur halo ke jingpen kelai ke Meghalaya Urban Affairs Service Rules arajar posau pat Meghalaya Cooperative Service Rules arajar pulai. Kynhun Myntri ka kentobru ya gijing ai jing irap ha kebaya de bar kijingjia ngam jelop ki bahap ke State Disaster Response Fund SDRF. Shu Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur ya ke jingpen yar ya ke jingpen poi boarding syakitai nong bendong lingba ka RDSS scheme.
Meghalaya has come out with the industrial the IMA, the agency, the Industries Meghalaya Agency, where basically we are trying to streamline the entire investment process, and we are trying to work towards ensuring that maximum investment in from the private sector comes into the state. And hence, in order to achieve that goal, we have come out with the new industrial and investment policy. Apart from the industrial policy, we have also come out with the IT and the ITES promotion policy. This again is being done in line with our policy to create more jobs in the IT sector. And for this to be successful, we are giving an incentive where for every new job that is created, an incentive of 3,000 rupees will be provided by government of Meghalaya. And this will be capped at 15,000 numbers, and it is on a first come first serve basis. So whichever industries or companies that come in and set up BPO sectors here in the state, we will be giving a flat, as I said, 3,000 rupees for the jobs that are created. And we are targeting and expecting that we should be able to create another 15,000 jobs through this incentive policy for the IT and ITES sector. Of course, we will have other incentives also, which are provided in the industrial policy, where the IT and ITES sectors can also take the overall benefit of. The third was that we have proposed the creation of the Meghalaya Technology Park Society. As you know that we have got already one technology park. The second phase of the technology park in Shillong is underway, which should be completed by 2025 April. And the third IT park, which is going to come up in Tura, the work order for that has been issued today, and we expect the work to start. And hence we felt very strongly that there has to be a society that manages these technology parks and overall looks at the running of these technology parks in an efficient manner. And hence the Meghalaya Technology Park Society has been created. We had some rules to be amended, so I don't want to go into details of that, but there were some rules of the Meghalaya Cooperative Service Rules 2003 and the Meghalaya Urban Affairs Service Rules. Certain amendments were proposed by the two departments. There were just minor changes, but it's overall ensuring that the streamlining of these two departments would take place. And hence those rules have been today amended and passed by the cabinet. We have also cleared today the purchase of a landfill site in Rongakre in East Karo Hills. This is the landfill site which is going to be for the town of William Nagar. And as you are all aware that these new sites will not be technically landfill sites, but they will actually be sites where recycling and segregation of waste will take place. You are aware that yesterday we had laid the foundation stone for the biomining of Martin, and the work for this has already been allotted to one agency, and we expect the work to start this week itself. And the same agency will also be working in Tura. So in similar lines for the new landfill sites also, though they are called landfill sites, but technically they will be recycling and segregation sites. So that has been cleared also by the cabinet today. We also did a small notification where in the state disaster and local disaster list, which includes many disasters under the SDRF. We have also included accidental drowning as one of the disasters, so that anybody who or any family that loses a dear one because of a drowning incident will also be eligible for the funds of roughly about 4 lakhs, if I'm not wrong, by the SDRF, which is given to the next of kin. So drowning, accidental drowning, has also been included in that list today with the approval of the cabinet. The last approval was taken for the extension of the RDSS scheme. So under the RDSS scheme, there are certain habitations which need to be further brought under the network of the electrification, those villages which have been left out. Government of India has approved that list, and the government is waiting for the official clearance and approval from the cabinet of the Meghalaya government. And once this is done, it will be sent to the central government, and this project to further connect some of the unelectrified habitations will also be taken up under the RDSS scheme. So this approval also was made today. So these were the 9 proposals and items that were taken up in the cabinet today.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center